We're gonna talk about how to plant basils. This is our basil farm now. We started with one plant, started growing more of them. Fortunately, one died, so we're gonna replace it. So, from an existing plant, or if you're buying basil from your grocery, just find a stem na long enough that has leaves on the ground, or on the lower part, yeah, because that's where the roots will grow. So we'll cut this. Okay, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. So we'll remove the leaves from that part. Then soak it in a small container. So this is a pepper container. So just put it there, put some water, and we'll see how it grows in the next few days. This is now the basil that we planted last week. Let's check it out. And it has grown some roots, so it means it's ready to be planted on the soil. So we'll plant it here, and the other one that has a vacant spot. So there. So start planting your basils now.